Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In the previous video, we took an example on solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables using the elimination method. In this video, we are going to take another example on solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables using the elimination method. So let's look at our question for this video. Is x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 8, and we are supposed to find x and y. So as we usually do, I'm going to list my equation. So x plus 2y is equal to 4, then 3x minus y is equal to 8. Then from here you find the coefficient of the variables in both equations. Coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1. Coefficient of x in equation 2 is 3. Coefficient of y in equation 1 is 2. Coefficient of y in equation 2 is 1. Now you can see from here that neither of the variables have the same coefficient in both equations. So you have to choose the variable that you want to eliminate. Now, let's say I want to eliminate y. If I want to eliminate y, I have to make sure that y will have the same coefficient in both equations. I have to make sure that y has the same coefficient in both equations. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep equation 1. Then I'll multiply equation 2 by 2. Now you see, if I multiply equation 2 by 2, coefficient of y here will change to 2. So I'll have coefficient of y in equation 1 to be 2, coefficient of y in equation 2 in equation 2 to be also 2. Then I can eliminate them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 2. In doing that, I'll have 2 times 3x, which will give me 6x. 2 times y here, which will give me 2, but because we have the negative, so the negative is there. Then 2 times 8, which will give me 16. So I now have the coefficient of y to be 2. So with this new equation and equation 1, I can eliminate y. So in order to eliminate y, look at something. Coefficient of y here is 2, but the sign is positive. Coefficient of y here is 2, but the sign is negative. If I have positive 2 and negative 2 and I want to eliminate them, what do? I have to add, because if I subtract, I'm going to have 2 minus this 2 is already minus, so minus 2, and that was going to give me positive 4. But if I add them, I'm going to have 2 minus 2, which will give me 0. So this means that if I want to eliminate y, because 2 here is positive and 2 here is negative, I'll have to add the two equations. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to add equation 1 to the new equation. Remember, don't add it to the old equation 2. Add it to the new equation that we formed, and that new equation is equation 3. So I'm going to add equation 1 to equation 2. Now, in adding equation 1 to equation 2, so this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So that was going to give me x plus 6x. So the first part of equation 1 plus the first part of equation 3. Then the second part of equation 1, which is 2y, plus the second part of equation 3, which is minus 2y. So this is what's going to happen. Sorry. So I'm going to have 2y plus minus 2y. We know from algebra that if you have 2y plus minus 2y is the same as 2y minus 2y. And 2y minus 2y is going to give us 0. So it means that this one is going to cancel out. So we are going to have, now because 2y minus 2y will cancel out, we are going to have x plus 6x is equal to 4 plus 16, because when you come here, we are going to have 4 plus 16. So that is going to give us 20. So 7x is going to give us 20. We know from linear equations that when you get here, you divide through by 7 and x is giving us 20. 20 over 7, sorry. So we have been able to find x to be 20 over 7. How do we find y? We say that you pick any of the equations, any of them. So I picked equation 1. From equation 1, we can say that x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now we know x to be 20 over 7. So wherever you see x, you can replace it with 20 over 7. So we have 20 over 7 plus 2y is equal to 4. So we group like terms. 2y is equal to 4 minus 20 over 7. In the video on fractions, we explained how to perform this fraction, 4 minus 20 over 7. So if you watch that video, you know how to do it. 4 minus 20 over 7 will give us 8 over 7. 4 minus 20 over 7 will give us 8 over 7. So 2y is equal to 8 over 7. We divide both sides by 2, or you multiply 2 by 7. It's also the same thing. If you multiply 2 by 7, it means that you are going to multiply this side by 7. So 7 times 2y is equal to 8 over 7 times 7. 7 will cancel 7. 7 times 2y will give us 14y. 7 cancels 7 to give us 1. 8 times 1 will give us 8. You divide both sides by 14, and y will give us 8 over 14, which is the same as 4 over 7. So we have been able to find x to be 20 over 7 and y to be 4 over 7 using the elimination method. So we've solved about 4 examples using the elimination method. Pick more questions and try to solve it using the elimination method. If you have any problems, interact with me on my social media handles and I'll help you. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and subscribe to this video for more videos. See you in the next video where we will solve simultaneous equations using the substitution method. Bye bye.